we're going to start off with our three-part drill. We're starting with the visual part, so I want you to say the sound you see.
Okay. A.
Good. That's two sounds.
O.
Good.
Sh. Ink. Ch. G. S. Z.
Good.
Unk. N. S.
Good.
R. Ulp. I. Ch. Cur. Bull. Cool. Full. Ang. Bolt. Mp. Ong. B. S. Z. Gl. Pull. U.
Good.
I. St. Nch.
Now we're doing the auditory part of our three-part drill. So I want you to write the sounds you hear. Okay? If there's more than one way, I'll tell you that there's more than one way.
Okay.
All right, first one, finger up. B. Ready, write.
B. B.
Good. Finger up. There are two ways. Ready, write.
F. F.
Good.
S.
Oh, finger up. S. There are two ways.
S. 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 S.
Good. Finger up. T. Ready, write.
T. T.
Finger up. Z. There are three ways.
Z. 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 S. Z.
Good. Finger up. Bull. Ready, write.
B. L. Bull.
Good. Finger up. Burr. Ready, write.
B. R. Burr.
Good. Finger up. Cl. Ready, write.
C. L. Cool.
Good. Finger up. Cur. Ready, write.
C. R. Cur.
Good. Finger up. Full. Ready, write.
F. L. Full.
Good. Finger up. Ulp. Ready, write.
L. P. Ulp.
Good. Finger up. St. Ready, write.
S. T. St.
Good. Finger up. Ult. Ready, write.
L. T. Ult.
Good. Right. Good. Finger up. I. Ready? Right.
I.
Good. Alright. Finger up. Ch. There are two ways. Ready? Right.
CH. TCH.
Good. Finger up. Ang. Ready? Right.
ANG. Ang.
Good. Finger up. Ink. Ready? Right.
INK. Ink.
Good. Alright. Finger up. Ong. Ready? Right.
ONG. Ong.
Good. Alright. Finger up. I. There are two ways to write. I. Ready? Right.
I. Y. I.
Good. A. Ready? Right.
A.
Good. U. Ready? Right.
U.
Good. O. Ready? Right.
O.
E. Ready? Right.
E.
Okay. Alright. Unk. Ready? Right.
UNK. Unk.
Alright. Okay, now we are ready for our our blending part of the three-part drill. So you're going to point and read to each sound and then blend it together.
Okay. At. Cat.
Good.
At. Cats.
Good.
A.
Blend it.
K.
Good.
A. Lay.
Good.
Lag.
Let's just point. You're going to point.
Okay. Log.
Good.
Logs.
Okay. What's this last sound going to be following this one?
Z.
Okay.
Logs.
Try it again.
Logs.
Good. Yeah.
Vog. Vo.
Good.
Shog.
Good.
Cog. Culp. Ink. Chink.
Alright.
Ink. Neek.
Good.
Notch. Slump.
Good.
Slumps.
Good.
Brob.
Good. Good.
creep. Bull bleb. Bull blebs.
Good.
Cool clunk. Cool clib. Cool cliss.
Good.
Cool eye. Cly. Full fliss. Full flang. Fang. Fong. Wong. Wong. Fung. Fuss. Few. Glus. Gly. Pull ply.
Alright, so now we are going to learn something new. And we actually already know this sound, and the sound is J. Can you say J?
J.
Good, say it 3 more times for me.
J.
Good. Now we're going to learn a new way to write J. Okay, a new way to write J is D-G-E. Alright, and the only time that we're going to use this spelling for J is right after a short vowel sound. Okay, so can you tell me the short vowel sounds?
A, I,
Good, so that'll make this, and we'll talk about this later with our syllabication, but that'll always be in a closed syllable. Right after a short vowel, you will see D, G, E if you hear the J sound. Okay? And we've got our keyword for this, judge, because judge is J, J. And that is a short vowel sound followed by J, so that's why we spell it D-G-E in the word judge.
Okay.
Alright? So we're going to do a fun little activity here where you get to be the judge. Okay?
Okay.
And what you're going to do is I'm going to say some words to you. Okay? And I might try to be a little bit tricky with some of them, but if you hear a J sound right after a short vowel, like in the word judge, you're going to use your fist like it's a gavel, because that's what a judge hits on its podium or desk or whatever is up there. Okay? So, if you hear a J sound after a short vowel in a word, you'll get to pound the gavel, and that word is guilty of being a DGE word. Okay? Alright. How about ridge? Good. How about lodge? What about jar? No, we have a j sound, but it's at the beginning of the word. Okay, what about fridge? Good. What about bridge? Good. What about jam? What about frog? No. What about dodge? Good. Good. All right. What about huge? Good. I have a just sound at the end of that one, but it comes after a long vowel sound, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Okay, so now we are going to do some dictation of words. So you will need your finger tapping mat and you will need your pencil. All right, and I'm going to call out some words and I'm going to have you pound and then finger tap them. Okay? And then you'll write them. All right, so the first word, pencil up, fudge, ready, pound.
Fudge.
Good.
Fudge.
Okay, pencil up, badge, ready, pound.
Badge. B-A-J. Badge.
Alright. Now, I messed up. Sometimes teachers do that. We're going to write our sound in the sand tray before we do our dictation.
Okay.
Alright. So, I want you to write our new sound. You're going to say each letter, underline it, and say the sound.
Okay.
Okay?
D, G, E, J.
Good.
D, G, E, J.
Good.
D, G, E, J.
Good. Alright. Now, we're going to start on our dictation. Though we've already done 2, we will pick back up where we left off.
Okay.
Alright, pencil up. Ledge. Ready, pound.
Ledge. L-E-J. Ledge.
Good. Alright. Pencil up. Judge. Ready, pound.
Judge. J-J. Judge.
Alright. Now, I'm going to have you read those words off this clean copy that I have here.
Okay.
And whenever you're ready, you can start.
Fudge. Badge. Ledge. Judge.
Good. Alright, now we are going to do our sentences. And you'll write on this piece of paper here.
Okay.
Alright, so I'm going to say the sentence 2 times. You'll pound it and say it, and then you'll write it.
Okay.
Okay? Trim the edge of the hedge. Trim the edge of the hedge.
Trim the edge of the hedge.
Good. Write it.
Trim the edge of the hedge.
Good. Alright, next one. The wedge will not budge. The wedge will not budge.
The wedge will not budge.
Good.
The wedge will not budge.
Alright. I'll take that from you and look over it real quick. Alright, I'm going to have you read that off the clean copy there.
Trim the edge of the hedge. The wedge will not budge.
Alright, good job. And that is it for our multisensory activity. Now we are working on the syllabication part of the lesson. Okay, this is something that we've been practicing. Okay, so I want you to make sure that you're following the steps in order as you go.
Okay.
So we're going to label our vowels, draw the bridge, put the consonants on the bridge, divide, label our syllables, read each syllable, and then read the word.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Alright. So we'll read the words after you
Okay.
divide them. So just work on dividing them for right now.
Okay. Find and label the first 2 vowels. Draw a bridge to connect the vowels.
Good.
Label the consonants on the bridge.
Good. Now what kind of pattern do we have there?
VCV.
And where are we going to try to divide that first?
Before this consonant.
Good. Okay, so what kind of syllable do we have at the beginning?
Open.
Good.
And this one is closed.
Good. So let's try reading those syllables now.
Basin. Basin.
Good. Okay, let's try the next one.
Okay. Find and label the first two vowels. Draw a bridge to connect the vowels. Label the consonants on the bridge.
Good. Now what pattern do we have?
VCV.
So where are we going to divide?
Before the first consonant.
So we're going to try first. Good.
Okay. This syllable is open. This one is closed.
Good.
Moment. Moment.
Good.
Okay. Find and label the first two vowels. Draw a bridge to connect them. Label the consonants on the bridge. It's a VCV pattern, so we'll divide before the first consonant.
Good. That's what we're going to try first and see if that's the way it'll read whenever we read it.
Okay.
Okay.
This one is open. This one is closed. Open. Open.
Good. Don't turn it off yet. Don't turn it off yet. Don't turn it off yet. Don't turn it off yet.